Welcome to 337 Greig Road, Whakatane. This is a 59.74 hectare seasonal supply dairy farm located on the Rangataiki Plains. This would have to be one of the most immaculate farms in the Whakatane district, if not in fact the whole Bay of Plenty. It's a System 2 farm that is milking approximately 180 cows for a 3-year average of just under 70,000 kilos of milk solids. This is an ideal first farm opportunity, or in fact an add-on to an existing property. This is a truly immaculate farm that's been farmed by the current owners for near on 3 decades. The attention to detail here is impeccable. The property has a beautifully presented 5-bedroom home, ample garaging and workshop. It's located off a tar seal driveway leading in from Greig Road. 337 Greig Road is located approximately an hour from Rotorua and less than an hour to Tauranga. Whakatane is 20 minutes away and a further 10 minutes gets you to Ahopi. This is the sunshine capital of New Zealand. What better place to work and play?